What's up, guys? Welcome to a very destructive video. I have this lineup: the bow and arrow and axe and potato cannon versus the vintage warming oven. And there should be lots of carnage today, so stick around to the end of the video. First up, we got the bow and arrow. Next up, we got the potato cannon. Next up, we got the axe. Next up, we got the destruction of our old dehumidifier. I'll tell you one thing for free, it's not all that comfortable in here. I got taller since the last time I used this thing. The name's Bond. James Bond.
The name's Bond. James Bond.
I don't mind me just taking my dehumidifier for a walk. I used my brake! Where's the dehumidifier? Where's the dehumidifier? No longer.